too rural, or a real estate investment hidden gem. I'm going to talk to you today about Dayton, Tennessee. I don't have a lot of experience in Dayton, Tennessee, but I recently secured a property for a client that I am quite excited about. I procured and secured for my client a multifamily in Dayton, Tennessee. At first, I was slightly nervous or concerned about it just because of the ruralness of the area. So I did a little bit of digging to make sure that I felt like it was the best move for my client. Because as you know, we have fiduciary responsibilities, and I want my investors and my clients to be successful. So we found this multifamily property. It looked like it was a value add, a great potential investment, and so we started doing some digging to see what we felt like rental comps would be, to see what rental demand would be, vacancy rate, all of those things. And what I found and what I want to share is that I checked multiple rental sites like your normal Zillow, checked Facebook, as well as various MLSs, and what I found was I could literally only find a handful of rentals in that area. And all of those rentals, except for one single family home, had been posted for less than a week. Which begs the question, I want to say that there is a high demand for rentals because there's nothing sitting on the market and everything gets scooped up relatively quickly. There's just not a lot there to rent. This was actually very comforting for my client because I'm pretty sure that once this multifamily gets fixed up, he is going to be able to rent it for a reasonable price, but also should be able to procure renters very quickly and have a very low vacancy. And as we all know, low vacancy significantly helps your NOI. If you can't find something in Chattanooga, don't get me wrong, I still love Chattanooga. I know that there's deals there. I closed multiple this month in Chattanooga. But if you're having a hard time finding exactly what you want in those metropolitan areas, I highly encourage you to look in the surrounding areas. Dayton is more rural, and so finding a property manager may be a little more difficult, but I can totally help you with that. Also recommend places like Saudi Daisy or Cleveland or even potentially Athens. I'm sure we can find some good deals and with a lot less competition in some of these areas. So I just want to touch briefly on that. If you have any interest in any of these, whether it can be Chattanooga or any of these, please give us a call. We have agents who live anywhere from Saudi Daisy, Hickson, Ottawa / McDonald area, Cleveland, and most recently we have someone in McMinnville, Tennessee. So if you are interested, honestly, in any of that area, we would love to help you out. We also go down into the northern Georgia area, find and make sure that we secure you the best deal possible. So just consider it, look into it. I think that we will start seeing more deals pop up there as things become more saturated in that hyper-focused area and people will start to look outward. So just thought I might give you a little tidbit. Have a good day.